ano, exclusive dun sa isa. Oo. Pero I can send you the photos naman. So, po. Can I tap your phone?
Okay. Yung phone.
Oo, tatap ko lang.
Phone ko eh. Oh, DVD kasi kami pwede.
Ay, sabagay. So, how can I contact you?
Lagay ka na lang.
Sige. Sige.
Kasi pagad kita pagkakuha ko ng phone.
Sige. Sa'yo na lang. Joke lang. Huwag niyo pabayad.
Sayang.
Yeah. Okay. Sige pa. Di pa fully paid. Sayang naman. Thank you. Hi guys, so ito nagkaroon ako ng event coverage sa naganap na Inside Racing Bike Fest 2024 sa World Trade Center, Pasay City noong nakaraang March 2024. So meron akong exclusive doon na brand na i-cover ng kanilang product launch. And syempre nakakita tayo ng iba't ibang mga magagarang mga maangas na mga motor. Yan. Okay. Napakalaki kasi World Trade Center. So, ang daming mga naka-display na motor, parts, accessories, pang maintenance, everything nandito talaga. So, sulit na sulit yung pagka-hire sa amin dito. Grabe. Nakapasyal ka talaga. Okay. Although hindi ako talaga motor fan or motor enthusiast, pero grabe, napapanganga ka talaga dito sa gitna ng mga motor, sa ganda rin ng mga models na nandito. So ayan, ito muna tayo. Syempre focus muna tayo sa trabaho. So gawa ako ng konting aerial shots kasi wala akong dalang drone or bawal ang drone dito sa loob. So gumawa muna ako ng improvised drone indoor shots. Ayan. So using 360 cameras. It's post-production pa naman yan aayusin. Tapos, nakikita nyo naman, ayan na, marami na akong kasabayang mga photographers din or nag-event coverage din. Pero syempre, kailangan ako nasa gitna kasi yan yung kliyente ko. Ayan, shoutout sa any lubricants. Thank you for your trust. And ito na, simulan na ako ng photo shoots. Thank you. 3, 2, nice, thank you. Hello po. 3, 2. Nice, thank you. Thank you. Hello po. Nice one. Thank you. Okay. 3, 2. Thank you. Yan. Nice one. Thank you. Hi, hello po. Okay lang. 3, 2. Thank you po. Dito sa bandang unahan. Thank you. Hello po.
Hawakan namin, no?
Thank you po. Hello. Ganda. Pack na pack. Slay. Thank you.
Suited on arrival.
Thank you. Isa pa?
Tayo.
Okay lang. Ready? 3, 2. This one, isa pa. Project. Nice one. Nice one. Thank you. Thank you. Hello po. Okay lang. 3, 2. One more. Sama ka na. Yan. 3, 2. Isa pa. Nice one. Ang ganda. Thank you po. Nice one. Thank you. Hello. Alpes. Thank you. Hi.
My head was quite crazy because there are so many things to do. So I'm so bad. So it was a bit confusing. Yeah, it was impossible to forget. It was
Nice,
incredible experience, like one experience because the bike is so different to any bike.
Thank you.
What I have in my hands and how can I play with this? I think there are three things. There is the acceleration, exit of the corner that we have a lot of power, but then into the corner. Finally, the bike, I think it's easier than the motor to bike.
Thank you.
And the
Hello po. Okay lang. Sige. Dalawa na kayo. Okay, solo. Steady. Next. Yeah. Hello. Nice Okay lang. Yan. 3, 2. Thank you. Wala pa. 3, 2. Nice one. Thank you. Hello. Picture kita. Yan. Oo. Ay, ganda. Nice, nice. Thank you. 3, 2. Nice, thank you. Hi. Ganda. Ang ganda. Isa pa. Nice one. Yeah. 3, 2. Thank you. Hello. Yeah. Hello. 3, 2. Wait lang, ilaw. Thank you. Hello po. Okay lang. Thank you. Okay lang. Oo. Teka, ito muna. 3, 2. Nice one. Next. Hi, nice. Thank you. Naman. Hello po. Isa pa tayo ha. Yan. 3, 2. Nice one. Ay, ang ganda niyan. Ang
galing. Ay, nice. Very good. Hello. Isa pa tayo. Okay lang. 3, 2. Oh, ito yung malapit eh. Ang ganda. Ay, perfect. Yan. Okay lang. Thank you. 3, 2. Nice. Isa pa. Nice. 3, 2. Thank you, pa.
Thank you, D Photography!